feel compelled to come to this stand. It's a WIDIA stand. They're selling WIDIA products, but in the background, our colleague Joe, the expert of tooling. So you've got some new products here, Andre. First of all, tell me briefly about this one.
Okay, first product is VGC, our new growing cutoff inserts, and also whole system with tool holders. Our advantages, comparison competitors, it's 3 specific surfaces, which increase our rigidity or also more tough when our competitors. When you can clamp it, our inserts will unbroken. Yes, also we use here our universal grades, which can be used for a lot of applications, a lot of materials, for example, super alloys and titanium also. Yes, and we have one good geometry which you can use for different applications, for grooving, cutoff, turning also.
So this is a really universal tool, but you can clamp it really, really rigid, so it's going to take big cuts in all sorts of materials. What about this one here then?
This is our new solution. It's a TDMX drill. Yes. Here you can see prototype with 3D model. Yes. Here we show our advantages. All our competitors have flat surfaces. We have specific X surfaces. It name our drill TDMX. Therefore, also here we have also not straight surfaces. It help, like in VGC system, it help to clamp more tougher, more rigidity. Yes. Therefore, you can see here we use 2 screw, one for clamping and one for unclamping. Yes. Also, advantage, you don't need unclamp drill from arbor. Yes. And also here we use one universal grade for different applications and different materials. Okay. Big portfolio, diameter from 16 to 40. Yes, right. Material from steel to stainless steel and super alloy.
So a huge range, lots of materials, and very, very rigid for bigger cuts.
Yeah. Therefore, we can use more and better cutting conditions, more speed, more fit, and more to life.
Brilliant. Andre, thank you very much. And also Joe in the background.